In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage cross-sheet references for a project sheet in Smartsheet. Let's start by opening your main project sheet in Smartsheet. This is the grid where you track your project tasks, timelines, and any related data. Make sure you're signed into your account, then navigate to the project sheet you want to work with. Once it loads, you'll see all your familiar columns and rows. Within this project sheet, locate the section or row group related to database migration. Go ahead and click on Database Migration so that it's clearly selected. This helps you focus on the part of the sheet that's going to rely on information from other sheets. Now we're going to manage the connections behind the scenes. At the top of the Smartsheet window, look for the option called Manage References. Click on that. This opens a management panel where you can see and control all the links and references your sheet is using. Inside this panel, you'll see different types of references. First, click on Cell Link References to review any direct cell-to-cell links. This is useful context, but for this video, our focus is on cross-sheet connections. Next, click on Cross-Sheet References. This is where you set up and maintain links that pull data from other sheets into your project sheet. To add a new connection, click on the Create button. Smartsheet will now show you a list of available sheets and workspaces. From this list, choose the sheet called First Project. Click on it to open and display its contents so you can choose exactly what to reference. With that sheet open, click on the highlighted area indicated in the guide. This highlight represents the specific range of cells you want to pull data from. Confirm the selection, then once again choose First Project if prompted, and click the next highlighted area to refine or confirm your range. Now move into the section where you can browse workspaces. Click on the workspace labeled as the New Workspace. Inside it, you'll see several sheets such as an untitled sheet, an archive sheet, and a copy of your project sheet. Click on each highlighted option as shown. First the New Workspace, then the highlighted navigation, then Untitled Sheet, Archive Sheet, and Copy of Project Sheet. This sequence ensures Smartsheet understands exactly which source and destination sheets are involved in your reference. In the reference settings, choose None if you're given options for additional filters or groupings and you don't need them. Then, click Insert Reference to finalize and create the cross-sheet reference. To finish up, click Refresh. This updates your project sheet so the new cross-sheet reference pulls in the latest data. After a moment, your database migration section will now be powered by live data from the connected sheets, keeping your project information accurate and up to date.